Okay, these are more quotes from the book Dr. Mcdougall, The Doctor Who Fought for You. This is part 5 of the quotes. So, starch has unlocked the door to good health for thousands of my patients. Starch is better than fruits for satisfying hunger. So Dr. Mcdougall really emphasizes the benefit of starch over fruit. He feels people should eat 90% of their calories from starch and only 5% about from fruits, 5% from vegetables. He goes on, there's no such thing as a fruitarian population. Starch is what the body needs. Humans are starchivores. Starch is what satisfies hunger. All large, healthy populations eat a starch-based diet. There are no exceptions. That's a big statement. All large, healthy populations eat a starch-based diet. There are no exceptions. If you want to help someone become healthier, teach them how to eat a starch-based diet, whole food, plant-based diet. The gladiators were barley men. Sweet potatoes are probably the healthiest food, because they're about 1% of calories from fat and about 4.5% of the calories from protein. So that's perfect. Low fat and low protein. Plus it's a tuber, grows underground, so it's nutritionally complete other than vitamin B12. Okay, starch is a better name than complex carbohydrate. Complex carbohydrate, the word confuses people. Eating a starch-based diet is the most important thing for health. Yep. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. All you got to do is eat starch, and you're probably going to be pretty healthy. And when he says starch, he means cooked starch. And then here's the next thing. Starch is a solution to how to become healthy. You can see the truth. You can see the truth. Starch eaters are thin and healthy. Before 1970, when the Chinese ate 90% of their calories from rice, 1 billion out of 1 billion were skinny, were thin. The Mcdougall diet is a cost-free, because you got to eat it anyways, side effect-free treatment for most of the chronic Western diseases. Yeah, just think about that. Just eating a starch-based diet, you don't got to pay any extra money because you're going to have to buy food anyways. There's no side effects, and it cures or prevents most of the chronic diseases. What more do you want? It doesn't get any better than that. There's no other diet that does that. Kempner had shown dietary reversal of coronary artery disease by EKG back in the 1940s. So what Dr. Mcdougall's getting at here is that the ability to reverse coronary artery disease, he pointed out, has been known for a long time. In the 1940s, reversing it on EKG with the rice diet by Dr. Walter Kempner. In the 1960s, Pritikin showed it being reversed with his Pritikin diet, which is a low-fat, plant-based diet. Blankenthorne, the researcher, showed it by cardiac cath in the 1970s. Ornish showed it in the 1990s, and Caldwell-Esselstyn has shown it as well. So it's been known a long time that plant-based diet can partially reverse coronary artery disease, the amount of stenosis or narrowing, and it actually gives more benefit than one thinks because you get restoration of nitric oxide synthase usually quite early in a couple days, and then over the course of weeks and months, the plaque itself shrinks more and more. So that's it for part 5 of Dr. Mcdougall quotes.